Since I was a kid, and everyone keeps on asking the same question, I keep on saying the same. I don't know yet what I want to do in life, but the main thing I'm sure of, that I want to have a positive impact, contribution in people's life, in whatever I would be doing. Over the years, this objective never changed. And this is why I studied science in school, and then pharmacy in university, because I chose the medical sector to help people. Because honestly, I believe in the importance of the human well-being in general. So I chose this medical field work in, and thinking of how Bayer brought this childhood dream in life is just amazing, because we work in an organization with the main mission of health for all, hunger for none. The products are very good for the consumers itself. Before I joined Bayer as an employee, and then I started to read more about the company to understand about the ethics, the value it applies, and got to know how it invests in its employees, how they impact millions of people's life around the world, how they embed even the sustainability operations in business and strategy. All of this make me want to be part of this organization. Well, this is an interesting question, because for me, what I like the most since I joined Bayer is the humanitarian perspective we experience in the corporate life. You don't see it everywhere. We should thank the HR team, because since I joined, I see them very powerful, and they are so keen about the employees and how they want to make everything beneficial in a fun way, doing activities, and having always a bond with the employees, communicating with them. So it's very special here in Bayer. Thank you. From someone inside the organization, I would like to emphasize on this point that Bayer is a safe place to work in. Actually, as a female leader, I see it as a thriving workplace where every voice is heard. Everyone feels free to be a decision-making to achieve his role, to see his dream coming to the world. And actually, this creates a very good sense of belonging and ownership. And it creates loyalty to Bayer. I can say that I come to work every day enjoying my days. I feel the satisfaction of giving back to the community here in Bayer.